Welcome, family, to the World's Family Kingdom Creative Apparel. All clothing have been designed by Tawana Worlds and Children and hubby. Hope you enjoy. Hit us up if you'd like to purchase.
To all my people in the struggle.
First up is Lamriana, and she's rocking her Kingdom Apparel, which says, "Love your neighbor as yourself." Second up is the Quajane, and she's rocking her Kingdom Apparel that says, "My body is the Lord's temple, therefore I cover it up." Next up is Kavan Ray, and his Kingdom Apparel t-shirt says, "I got my space in heaven, do you?" Next up is Montreva. She's rocking her Kingdom Apparel that says, "Holy Nation, Royal Priesthood, Chosen Generation." Next up is Kev Ryan, and he's rocking his Kingdom Apparel for all the gangbangers. His shirt says, "My OG homie is Jesus. He died for me." Amen. Next up is Shanti, and her shirt that she's rocking says, "If you love me, feed my sheep." Next up is Papa World, and his shirt says, "Royalty." Ooh, ask me where I'm going, and I'ma tell you I am heaven bound. And last but not least is Tawana, whose shirt says, "My treasure's restored." So my treasure is running in the Lord. Coming back to the floor is Lamriana. Go, 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 girl. Go, girl. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Woo! All right now. Go, Nene. Go, Nene. Go, Nene. Go, Kavan Ray. Go, Kavan Ray. Go, Kavan Ray. Go, Kavan Ray. Woo, woo, woo. Uh-oh. All right now. He's stuck on his flip. Uh-oh. Come on, Montreva. Go, 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 go. She's busting that old running, man. Ooh, ooh, and that old kid in play. All right now. Look at Ryan. Look at Ryan. Go, go. Woo. Oh, yeah. Stir it up, son. Stir it up, son. Woo. Go, Shanti. Go, Shanti. Go, Shanti. Go, Shanti. Go, Shanti. Woo. Go, 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 go. Go, Papa. 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 Uh-oh. Got that bankhead bounce on him. Woo. Go, 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 go.